this is a new lightweight XT piston. I say new; it's basically a copy of the SHS version, which is also a copy of the rocket version. You can see you've got the rocket version here, very similar. Oh, I can't get this off. Yeah, all right, I'll break a nail if I try and get that off. But yeah, they're all the same. If you look at the bodies here, the only difference is a slight different shade of blue. The XT is slightly lighter. These racks that come with the XT ones are supposedly made from high carbon steel. Very strong. Very strong. Obviously brittle as well. You know, mild steel. And you've got mild steel and high carbon steel. And from what I understand is the stronger the steel is, the easier to snap it becomes. But it is actually stronger. So you know, if I put that in a vise and I just twisted that, you know, eventually it will break anyway. And if it was mild steel, then it would probably bend a hell of a lot easier. Obviously, if you heat them up, they're going to bend anyway. But they're super strong, and you might have seen from another video where you've got one of these other XT. Again, this is a very similar. Must be made from exactly the same material, high carbon steel, and you know, I've tried a hell of a lot to just break this up, but I can't really seem to do it. I know if I bent it, yeah, it would snap, but they're pretty decent. Yeah, they're not machined or anything. They're not put into an expensive CNC machine and drilled out. They're just manufactured using what they sometimes refer to as liquid metal, and it's just a process where they just pour into a mold and out pops the steel piece, and then they probably heat it, treat it, and then away it goes. Definitely worth checking out. If you're looking for one of these. It's a good deal cheaper than the Rocket and the SHS. I just think they're just they don't think just because it's cheap it's not as good. They're just new guys on the block. You know, they do things a lot. They work for themselves. They've got their own little factory going, and their overheads are a lot lower. So we can get these products cheaper, and we can get them out to you. So definitely worth checking out.